A battle is brewing in Florida over whether students will have to wear masks when they return to the classroom this fall. Several Florida school districts are keeping their mask mandates in place for the upcoming school year, despite an executive order by Governor Ron DeSantis that leaves it up to parents to decide whether their children wear face coverings in school. Broward County Public Schools, the second largest district in Florida, cited safety as its top priority, announcing the decision to maintain its mask requirement pending further guidance from the state as coronavirus cases surge in Florida. The Sunshine State has seen a rash of new COVID-19 infections in recent weeks. On Saturday, it recorded 21,683 new coronavirus cases, its highest single-day total since the pandemic began. But DeSantis, a Republican, said that because vaccines are now prevalent, the decision to mask students should be up to their parents, not the school district. "I want to empower parents to be able to make the best decisions they can for the well-being of their children," DeSantis said. He said parents are in the best position to evaluate the effect that this would have on their children. DeSantis cited a study, conducted in part by Brown University researcher Emily Oster, that did not find a correlation between mask mandates and COVID-19 rates in schools in Florida, New York and Massachusetts. But other researchers have pointed out that the study had a big caveat: the data don't look at whether students contracted COVID in or outside of school. Oster herself has said that the data sets were collected before the spread of the hyper-transmissible Delta variant, according to the Associated Press. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that all students, staff and faculty who are not fully vaccinated against the coronavirus wear a mask indoors. Children under 12 are still not approved for the vaccine in the United States. When it comes to safety, we know that adherence to the mitigation strategies works, U.S. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona said in a recent interview with NPR. "I know that there are some folks making decisions that are less based on science and more on their ideology. But at the end of the day, our educators, their job is to make sure our students are okay," he added. The executive order does not prohibit mask mandates outright, but it gives parents the final say as to whether their child would have to wear a face covering in school. No children would be prohibited from wearing a mask if they chose to. "We are finalizing health and education emergency rules this week that do not prohibit masks in schools but will require parents to have the right to opt their children out. School districts will be expected to allow parents to make this choice," DeSantis's press secretary, Christina Pushaw, said in a statement. "IT has to be the parents' free choice.